You can use light key frequencies to heal and prosper. Benefits include improved sense of well-being, clarity, peace, and abundance. Join today to embrace your divinity.
On 9th, we have a free class, totally open to everybody. Manifest through breath. So breath work has created a lot of shifts for me, a lot of miracles for me. So long back, probably in 2002 or something like that, 2001, 2, something like that, I did some breath work, okay? It's called rebirthing. That is kind of my first experience of, can I call it as eternal bliss? That time it was higher self, okay? So I truly I experienced how it is to be in bliss. Absolutely, there was no hate. Absolutely, there was no restrictions. It was just expansion, just bliss, pure bliss for about 5 to 10 minutes. I was a mess at that point of time in my life, okay? I was mourning for my baby. So I was a total mess, but this breath work showed me the glimpse of the infiniteness, I would say. Okay, and I have been practicing breath work since then, on and off. And recently, this one showed up in one morning, and I thought I will roll it out to all of you. This is my first breathwork class for everyone. Very simple practices. I'll be walking through you, and it's not going to be difficult. It is very effortless, but you will be able to dissolve and experience, or at least get a glimpse. I hopefully, okay, get a glimpse of what your bliss is, okay? Or at least you will be able to release some of your limitations, okay? So once you are in that infinite awareness, you can create anything you like, okay? So this breath work is going to be geared towards something you like to create. We will work with what you like to create and dissolve the walls between you and that through breath, okay? This is going to be an expansive. I am looking forward to this already. Please feel free to share with your friends and family. Bring in anyone who likes to create more lightness, all right? Absolutely no strings attached here. Then on 12th, we have releasing insecurity and low self-esteem with advanced light matrix command. Hey, every month now we have advanced light matrix releasing session. So this is one of it. You will get a PDF of the commands, and we will go through the commands and release. This is third one. The first one was we did for stubborn issues. Second one was emotional and physical pain, which was received very well. Yachina lost a couple of pounds after listening to this for a few days, okay, without doing anything, because there was so much relief in her. So it was really good. The last one, emotional pain and emotional and physical pain. And someone also messaged me that she had constipation for more than a decade, and after listening to this couple of times, that disappeared, okay? So this time we are going to do for self-esteem and resolving insecurities. That's on 12th. Then what do we have? Decoding the messages from the spirit and the other realms. Okay, so this is going to be a fun class, okay? So we did a 12 techniques class, 12 techniques to develop your mediumship and psychic abilities last month, okay? And we have also done connecting to light beings. And many of you have done awareness development circles. So this is going to be a class where you can follow a certain procedures to develop a unique language between you and the spirit, okay? So this is not a common language. but this is a process to develop a unique language between you and the spirit. It's going to be a lot of fun. We are going to be using some tools, games, etc. So feel free to jump in. I'm looking forward to it. And actually, when I talk about this, I'm getting very excited like a kid. Okay. So anything to do with awareness development, I get very, very excited. Okay. Then we have, hey, 12 techniques to attract success. Hey, this is our third 12 techniques class. Okay. So we did 12 techniques to develop psychic and mediumship, and then we did the 12 techniques to money flow, increase the money flow, which was also received very well. Now we are going to do 12 techniques to attract success. Okay, so all these are very, very simple energetic techniques. Very simple, actually. You know, you don't have to set aside a lot of time. You don't have to focus. You can simply be playful and learn some energetic exercises to change or to attract more success in your life. Okay, so no prerequisites. Once again, feel free to jump in. And the success varies with everyone, right? So whatever is success for you, that is the success for you. I can't say what is success for you, but whatever you like to attract, you can use these 12 techniques. Then we have star glow facials. Hey, star glow facial is another popular class. And if you have already done the star glow facial, you would know that this is not about superficial glow. You glow from inside out. Okay, so this is very deep. We say star glow facial, but this brings out the true light. I think Navneeta had sent a very good testimonial after her class with Surati Fem, right? It was really spot on. You know, she was able. We don't tell you, actually. We don't tell you that, hey, this is about shining your light and bringing your inner light, etc. We say, hey, this is star glow facial. You come to the class and you go with your inner shine. Okay. So this has some prerequisites. So if you are interested in this class, please feel free to look at the prerequisites and complete them before 15th. Okay. This class is actually facilitated by facilitators as well. So I'm doing this as a one-off case because I just got the awareness that it will be very contributing at this point of time. So feel free to repeat if you like. It is like receiving a session as well, right? So it's not like, it doesn't have to be a class. You get a session as well. It's very, very soothing and very relaxing. Then we have a couple of more classes which are not listed yet. I will go through them from my memory. But let's talk about the one on 22nd, exponentializing the money flow with rapid response protocol. So the one with one for weight loss with rapid response protocol was received very, very well. So as you could say, rapid response, it gives you rapid response. It creates such a swift change in your energy. Anything you like to create in your life, you create energetically first. So this protocol helps you to change things really quickly, swiftly. That's the right word. So last month, we used this for weight loss. So this month, we are going to use this for money flow. Okay. So you should have done rapid response protocol for this. And for rapid response protocol, Ortiz's class is a prereq. For Ortiz's class, the LKF is a prereq. So if you want to attend, you should have done these 3 classes, unfortunately, but worth doing. I'm telling you, worth doing. And we are also opening up a practice group for rapid response protocol practitioners. So facilitators are going to be running through the rapid response protocol every 2 weeks. So it's probably a good time for you to do rapid response protocol and join this class or join the free practice session. But this rapid response protocol is good to learn because that's becoming our future manifestation tool. Okay, so that will become the basis for a lot more manifestation classes. Okay, so on 20th, we have our only ADC this month, which is going to be activating the magic of Egyptian gods and goddesses. I'm excited. Okay, so we will be doing a journey, a spiritual journey into the land of Egyptian gods and goddesses and get our magic activated. Each plane, each dimension has its own magic, has its own vibration and frequencies. So we are going to be getting this download or activation from those goddesses and gods. And maybe some of us are already those gods and goddesses. You may have been a priestess and priest. You may get reminded of your Egyptian connections or past lives. And you may be able to reclaim or tap into the capacity you have with magic already. Okay. And the second part, so ADC will have two parts. One is the journey where you get activated. We do the spiritual journey and do the activation. The second part is to expand our awareness through some fun exercises and games. So this time we are going to be tapping into the ancient symbols for receiving wisdom and awareness. Okay, so last time we connected to mineral kingdoms and precious metals for receiving information about the energy of money, currency. This time it's going to be wisdom through the ancient symbols. Okay, again, I'm very excited about this. They gave me this specifically. Some gods and goddesses came through. So you can see this is goddess Isis. I've been working with her quite a lot. So we will see some more goddesses. We have some more classes. One more class is coming up, which is activating the body's intelligence system. Okay, so this was part of advanced light medicine level 2. Okay, so this was very good class. I have recently rerun that for me. I found it very, very useful. So I thought we should kind of roll it out to more people, not waiting for people to catch up with the whole light medicine series. Okay, so this will have some prerequisites like vortices and intermediate, and we will learn a protocol to activate the body's intelligence system. So if you look at the body, all these elements, these organs, they are orchestrated, right? Something is running all of them together. And that intelligence system goes dormant if you don't communicate with it. You as a being, if you don't give instruction, then it goes dormant or it functions in a default mode. So default mode can be very old programming, like, you have to learn through suffering. Your life is a lesson on planet Earth. So all these things are very old paradigms. Now the energy has changed. So in this protocol, you will learn how to activate this body's intelligence system and work with your cells to be more in command of your body and change your body. Okay, so this is coming up on 27th or 28th. Okay, so one more on 29th, Master Key breath for magic and miracles on 29th. Okay, so this time we are going to combine Master Key, energy of the Master Key and breath work to create magic and miracles. So this month seems to be attuned with realizing our magic. That's coming up on 29th. No prerequisite, I think, no prerequisite. On 27th, I'm going to repeat light key protocol for fluid balance. Okay. Hey, listen carefully. You have free attendance if you have already done this protocol. So light key protocol for fluid balance. If you have done this protocol already, you can attend for free. If you are a newcomer, great. You can do it with me. with a bonus class, which is completely free. Okay. The bonus class is about creating energy flow for healthy body. Correct. Yeah. That is a add-on bonus class. So if you are a practitioner of fluid balance, you get to attend 2 free classes with me. Hey, if you want the recording, of course, you have to pay something, I think $44 or something for both the classes together, but still, it's worth it, right? So join me. I'm looking forward to it. And for some reason, this one, this fluid balance seems to be gaining momentum, meaning that this could be bringing in more of the limitless energy, the ascension energy, the 5D energy into the body. So this class may help you to integrate high vibrational energies into your bodies easily. Okay, so if you are called, sign up. I don't do classes from the mind. I don't think about, okay, if I do this class, this many people will come, etc. Okay, I follow the energy. Sometimes I wake up with information that, okay, go for this class. Sometimes in the sleep, information show up. I just follow the energy. Okay, so I love talking about the classes. Upgrade is like normal for me. It used to be wherever I go, I used to get upgrades, hotels, plane, etc. Now I don't need upgrade because I fly business class or first class most of the time. So it has become a norm for me these days. Okay, so again, that's how you become. Then you vibrate high, you don't even expect any upgrade, you get upgrade, and at a stage you don't need upgrade. Okay, cool. Thank you everyone, love you all, very, very grateful. I'll see you all sometime soon. Okay, love you.